Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone, how are you guys? Today we are going to start lesson number 2, and in this lesson we will be covering how to make factors, how to make prime factors, and how to make their prime factor trees. And thank you very much guys for watching and learning here. You guys are amazing and you are the best audience. So let's begin our today's session. So how to make factors? So we make factors using the times table. So this is our question number 1, 24. We have to make the factors of number 24. So we'll always start it from the ones times table. So 1 times what number is 24? 1 times 24 is 24 on 2 times table. So will we get 24 on the 2 times table? Yes. 2 times what number is 24? 2 times 12 is 24. Then we have 3 on. Do we get 24 on the 3 times table? Yes. 3 times 8 is 24. And 4 times what number is 24? 4 times 6 is 24. So if we keep on moving 5 times table, we get 24? No. 6 times table? Yes. 6 times 4. So now see, this 6 is repeating. Now these numbers have been interchanged. 6 times 4 is 24, then 8 times 3 is 24, then 12 times 2 is 24, and then 24 times 1 is 24. So basically this is making a U. So the moment you came to know that the numbers are repeating, so there is no need to write it below like 6 times 4 is 24, then 8 times 3 is. So you can stop there and you're getting the multiple, the other half of the factors there, right? Okay, now we can solve the same very question using another method, using the horizontal way. So we start writing the numbers like 1 times 24 is 24. So I have written 1 here and 24 here, right? Then we are having 2 times 12 is 24. So we keep a certain distance so that once we are done with the question, we are getting these numbers in sequence, right? Then we are having 3 times 8 is 24. Then we are having 4 times 6 is 24. So this is another way of writing the question, writing the solution. Okay, so the factors of this number 24 are, these are the factors: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These all are the factors of number 24, right? 8 number of factors. Okay, next, number 19. So 1 times 19 is 19. Since we know that 19 is a prime number, so it has only 2 factors. Remember, we have done it in the previous class. Okay, next, so 36. So starting it with 1 times 36 is 36. Let me write the other number 36 at the extreme right side. Okay, then on the times table of 2. So 2 times what number is 36? So 2 times 18 is 36. 3 times what number is 36? Yes, 3 times 12 is 36. Then 4 times any number will give you 36. Yes, 4 times 9 is 36. Then on the times table of 5, are we getting 36? No. 6, yes. So 6 times 6 is 36. So see, this 6 and 6 are repeating, so there is no need to write them twice. You can write it a single time, right? Then 6 times 6 is 36, and then on the 7 times table, no. 8 times table, no. And then we are having 9 times table. So see, 9 is already repeating, right? So now you just need to shift these numbers close to this sequence. And here we are done making the factors of number 36. So which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36, right? So we are getting 9 factors. Ultimately we are having 10 factors, but the number 6 is repeating twice, so we have written it just once. Next, number 9. So 1 times 9 is 9, and 3 times 3 is 9. So just write 3 one time. So these are the factors of number 9. Next, 45. 1 times 45 is 45. 2 times any number will give you 45? No. 3 times what number will give you 45? So 3 times 15 will give me 45. 4 times any numbers? No. 5 times table? Yes. 5 times 9 will give us 49. Then 6 times table? No. 7 times table? No 49. 8 times table? There is no 49. And 9 times table? Yes, 9 times 5. So see, now the numbers are repeating, 5 times 9 and 9 times 5. So it means we have done all the possible number of factors for this number. We have made all the possible number of factors for this 45. Okay, one more thing I would like to share with you. Like, we keep on making the factors, but how we came to know that we have to keep on checking the times table or the numbers, that we have written all the possible input of these factors. So the clue for this thing is, whatever the maximum number is, it means you can maximum goes up till that number or that times table, right? For example, if I am checking for the above than 45, 46 or 47 or 50, so 50 does not come, 45 does not come on a times table of 50. So there is no need to keep on checking the numbers greater than this digit, right? I hope you have got the concept. For example, this is 9. So there is no need to check for the tens times table or more than 10 tens times table. For this number, there is no need to check for the number that is greater than 19. For example, 20, 21, 25, 30. Because on those times tables, 19 does not come, right? Okay, moving on to next, which is how to make prime factors. So while making the prime factors, so this is how we are going to solve it. So the number is 24. So we have to keep on dividing. So always start it with the times table 2, right? Why not 1? Because 1, by dividing it 1, we are getting the same number. So there is no need to go for that way. So starting it with the 2 times table. So 2 times what number is 24? 2 times, so this is 2 times 12 is 24, right? This is how we are going to solve it. Okay, so 2 times 12 is 24. Now next, this, look at this number, this is 12. So 12 comes in the times table of 2. So stick to the times table of 2. 2 times what number is 12? 2 times 6 is 12, right? Now again, look at this number 6. So 6 comes in the times table of 2. Yes. So we'll keep our times table 2. We cannot switch or jump up to any times table unless or until it cannot be divisible, right? So 3 times what number is 6? So 2 times what number is 6? 2 times 3 is 6. Now again, look at this number. So can this number, this 3 comes in the times table of 2? No. Now we jump up to the one to the times table that is next to 2 times table, 3 times table. So 3 times 1 is 3. So these are the maximum possible number of prime factors that we are getting. You see, all these numbers that you are looking here, all these numbers are the prime numbers. Neither of them is a composite number, right? Okay. So what are the prime numbers for this number 24? 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So if you multiply all these numbers, you will get back this 24, right? 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 3 is 24. And we are done. Good. So next number is 32. So let's just solve it quickly. This is an even number, so we can, 32 comes on the times table of 2. Yes, 2 times 16 is 32. So check, 16 comes in the times table of 2, go for it. You have to keep on moving. So 2 times 8 is 16. Again for 2, 2 times 4 is 8. Why 2 times table? Because 8 comes in the times table of 2. Then again 2 times 2 is 4. Then again 2 times 1 is 2. So the prime factors for this number 22 we are getting here are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So there are 5 number of 2's, or we can write this thing as 2 raised to power 5. So either you can write your answer this way or this way, both are the correct representation of your final answer, right? Okay, now how we are going to make the prime factor trees using finding the factors or the prime factors using the tree method. So this is a number 24, write it here. So what two numbers you're going to multiply them together, you're getting 24. So always start it from the 2. So 2 times what number is 24? 2 times 12 is 24. Now we have to look for this number 12. So what two numbers you're going to multiply to get this 12? So always start it from the 2. So 2, one portion is 2, the other portion is 2 times what number is 12? 6. Now again, now we have to break down this 6. So 2 times 3 is 6, right? Okay, now what are our prime factors using this factor tree? So remember, so these are our prime factors, right? Or you can also, there is one more thing, we can also further split this number, which is 3. So this number can be split up into 2. So 3 times 1 is 3, right? You keep on solving the numbers unless you get one factor, one of the factor is number 1. So once you reached there, right, then you can count these factors. Since 1 is neither prime nor composite, so we cannot include this number. Besides all these numbers on the left side, these are your prime numbers. So the prime numbers for number 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. If you multiply all these numbers, you'll get back 24, right? Okay, next 32. So 2 times 16 is 32. 2 times 8 is 16. Now pay attention on digit 8. So 2 times 4 is 8. Now we have to split this, break down this 4. So 2 times 2 is 4. And you can further split this 2 into 2 portions. So 2 times 1 is 2. Since 1 is neither prime nor composite, so we are not going to include this number, and we end our question over here. So the factors we are getting for this question is, so there are how many number of 2's? 1 2 3 4 5. So see, we have solved the same very questions that we did using the prime factors. So for 24 the factors are 2 2 2 and 3, and over here 2 2 2 and 3, and the prime factors for number 32. So there are 5 number of 2's, and using the factor trees we are getting the same result, 5 number of 2's. So 2 raised to power 5, right? Okay, I hope you have got the concept. So that's it for our today's session. You can practice multiple questions on your own to have a good grip on this concept. So stay blessed, be happy, keep smiling, and thank you once again guys for watching and learning here. Keep learning and stay safe out there. See you after.